friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video guys, I will be showing you how to possibly download App Store on Android, how you can possibly get App Store on Android. First of all, what is App Store app? App Store app is an application used on iPhones just like Play Store. Then you can be able to install App Store application on Android in order to get special or in order to get access to special applications. So guys, here without wasting much time, I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to get App Store application on your Android. So please, you have to watch this video till the end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you how to possibly get App Store application on your Android device. So the first thing I'm going to be doing here, we have to open our link. I have a link. I will be dropping this link on the description for easy access. So guys, here we open our web browser like this. So guys, once it open like this, it's going to be bringing you to this interface like this. It is a media file. It will be bringing you to this interface. So let me refresh it so you can see the start point of this particular app. So once you open it like this, it will be coming up like this. Here you just have to click on this download in order to download this APK file that I will be showing you. I've already downloaded this APK file on my Android device. So what you're going to be doing after you download this APK file, what you're going to be doing next, here you have to go back to your Play Store. You have to go back to your Play Store, and there is an application again that you have to install in order to give you access to install the App Store application that we just downloaded right now from our browser. So what we're going to be doing here, we have to search for this application, and the name of this application is XAPK installer. XAPK installer. This is the application, and I've already installed this application too. So you have to install this application on your mobile device. So after you install this application on your mobile device, guys, as you can see, let me show you. I've already installed the App Store app on my mobile device. This is the App Store app. This is the App Store app. So you have to leave it like this. So you have to go back to this application that we just installed right away. This application, the XAPK installer. So guys, you open it like this. So guys, please, before I show you further on how to use this application, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. So it will be opening up like this, and what you're going to be doing here, you have to click on this cancel icon because we are using a free version. So once you click on the cancel icon, an ad will be popping up like this because it is a free version app. So we cancel this ad like this. So guys, once it open like this, here we have two interfaces. It will ask you to enable these permissions. It will be asking you to enable this permission. The first permission we have install packages, you have to enable, and the second one we have file access, you have to enable. So after you enable them, what we're going to be doing here, we have install XAPK files, install APK files. So you just have to click on this any of this like this. So guys, sorry for this ad, it is popping up because the application is a free application, so we have to also click like this. So the next thing I'm going to be doing after this pop-up, you have to click on this manually select file. So you click on this manual select file, and it will be taking you directly to your file manager where you install this application we just installed now. And this is the application, which is App Store. So you click on it like this. So guys, as you can see, I'm sure the file is XAPK, so you have to just click on this icon here like this. So guys, as you can see, the application will start installing. So here you have to click on this install like this. If you do not follow this process, this application will not be installed on your mobile device. So you just have to follow this steps in order for the application to get installed. So guys, as you can see, app was installed successfully. So you click on OK, and guys, here you have to go back, and then let's see if the app has been installed. So guys, as you can see, this is the App Store on our mobile device. So you can be able to open it and see if you can be able to see App Store applications here. So guys, as you can see, these are some of the App Store applications. You can be able to search for any you can be able to search for any application. For instance, here you click on it like this, you can be able to search for any application like Cash App. You can be able to search, and guys, as you can see, we have many Cash App here. You can be able to install it from this app. So again, you can also get your games from here, and we have many games that you can be able to see on iPhone. You can download them directly to your own Android device. So guys, as you can see, it's loading. And also we have search icon here. Again, you can be able to search, and these are some of the search terms in this particular application. In this particular application. So this is how you can be able to get App Store application on your mobile device. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and comment below. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.